This is my favorite recipe for dinner, simple and very tasty. To begin, we will need 2 pounds of chicken. Let's add olive oil, salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, paprika, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Let's mix with our hands. You can use a glove if you prefer. In a pan, we'll put a lot of oil and we'll fry the chicken. Take this moment to leave me in the comments from which city you're watching. As soon as the video ends, I'll answer you and send you a special hug. After a while, let's turn them over. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like the video. That really helps our work. In another pan, we'll melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Let's add 2 tablespoons of honey, and half a cup of tomato sauce. Now we just need to pour the sauce over the chicken. And our recipe is ready. Don't forget to leave me a grade from 1 to 10. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!